Hey guys, out in the doghouse today. Not working on the Fargo, not working on the Buick. Got a 2011 Lincoln. Got some, the guy brought it over. Said it had a little bit of rust on the bottom here. I told him I'd check it over, see what else I could find. I took the inner fenders out. This here was all plastic. And of course, got a little bit of rust in here. Go around to the front, a little bit of rust here, then going down here to the bottom, got a whole lot of rust right there. Yeah, I can put my finger in there. That's not good. It's all wet here because I pressure washed it, trying to get most of the dirt out. But see, all here, all the way around. Yeah, the other side is the same too. So anyway, I'll cut all that out, put in new metal. But all along here, it doesn't seem to be too bad along the rockers, except all the paint has come off. But he wants to save it before it gets too bad, and I don't blame him. It's a nice looking car. So anyway, let's get at her. Now, I'm going to take the inner fender off and see if we got any surprises back here. Well, we got all the plugs out. Pop all these out now, we'll see what's hiding under here. This is where the rust all hides. Just behind the back door. See all the mud caked all in here. That just holds all the water. Just as I expected. A big hole here. Yeah. I'm not surprised. More holes up here. Yeah. Yeah. All up here is all gone. I'll have to cut all that out. Put in all new metal in here. Put new metal down in here. That's all this here is going to be new metal here. Yeah. But we got it before it went too far. Anyway, no, it won't be too bad. I know how to weld. Well, I think I do. It's all bad here. I'll probably fix all this all up here. All your rockers. Yeah. Here's the passenger side, same as the driver's side. It's all laid out down here, all along here. It's all along the fender. Yeah, and I'll put all new metal in there. Here's a picture inside your trunk, all along here. This is all gone here. It's not good. Anyway, that has to be fixed. Look at all here. I don't know what's going on there, but anyway, more damage. Okay, let's cut some metal. It's all rotten. I sit alone and think of you. Alone and think of you. hole's getting bigger. Bigger.
All the things we used to do.
That's why I'm singing the blues. Yeah, that's what I didn't want to see. It seemed solid when I was first hitting it, but came through the other side. Peekaboo. Yahoo. Well, anyway, compare that. Yeah, this whole rocker here is going to have to be replaced. Up to here. Up to here. That's always the way we deal with rust, eh? But yeah, a lot more work than I anticipated. Okay, let's check out the driver's side. I took the inner fender out, and you can see here, it's all rotted through. Same as the passenger side. Another hole here. Big hole there. Big hole along there. All rust up there. Not looking good. Right through. Same as the other side. It always looks easy, but it's never easy. Well, more than a pinhole. The thing is, I can do this gently and not go through, but in a year from now it'll blow through and then my work will look like crap. Anyway, there, another rocker. Nothing but rust and sand and shit all up inside there. That's what makes it rust. Well, I got a patch made up for here. That turned out pretty good. They're up there. Should be a good deal. Yeah, that'll work. Cut that out, weld her in. Bob's your uncle. Good old Uncle Bob. Clean that up, weld the patch in. I still have to cut out down here in the bottom, but I'll get this here welded in. Then the patch comes down and around, so that's good. Yeah,